Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you, my dear friends? I think they are all well, fine, and good. Hello, beautiful day. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. So, I am your host, Mr. Dragonfly, is here, and we discuss about a Queen SHM. Okay, my dear friend. I think my all dear friends and my all dear followers absolutely fine, good and healthy. Beautiful day. Should we hold ourselves? Thanks for joining and comments me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let's come to join the our today Get Live bonus task project SHM. Because here are support trading. So we discuss about it. So my dear friend, if you wanna, you can join me, my dear friend. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Have a nice day. Have a good day, my dear friends. First of all, I am making for everyone special gifts. Okay. So my dear friends, get data you will list Shardom SHM support trading Stack GT, ETH, and Launchpool to earn SHM hourly. That's very good and that's very wonderful, my dear friends. Let's come to join with me and see everything is here. So, my dear friend, I am making a gift for you in once again. That's very, 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 very wonderful, my dear friends. I think they are all well, fine, and good and healthy. So, my dear friend, Get data you will list Shardam SHM support trading stack GT ETH in large pool to earn SHM hourly. So let's come join with me, my dear friend. Get data you well list Shardam SHM for support trading on May 8, 2025 at 10 UTC to reward our user. You can stack GTETH in Shardam SHM launch pool to earn 140112 SHM airdrop for free with reward distributed every hour. Okay, my dear friends. Bitcoin watchover. Hello, sir. Thank you. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my dear friend. Thanks for joining, my dear friend. How are you today? I think you are right, fine, and good. Bitcoin watchover. Thank you, my dear friend. So, Shardam SHM supported in trading starts May 8, 2025 at 10 UTC, my dear friend. Deposit SHM HTTPS. This is the website address. If you wanna, you can go here and deposit SHM. Okay. So I am tell you how to deposit Bitcoin. Yes, I am good. Thank you, Bitcoin. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I think. Can you tell me from where are you, my dear friend? Get user Subal Khair al Jami. Get user Subal Khair, Subal Khair, Subal Khair. Thank you so much. So, my dear friend, you can see here network SHM, Queen name SHM, and this is deposit address. If you wanna, you can direct go here and click this wallet address page, and you can and paste this. I am from BWP also. That's wonderful. Your sweet name. What is your sweet name, my dear friend? I think I know you, or you know me. Okay, my dear friend, let's come to see other things. Trade in USDT market Viva. Here is if you wanna, you can go and trade SHM Viva USDT. Okay, here is SHM USDT page. You can go and trade in this coin. You can see 1 minute. Let's come to see 1 day candle time frame. Then we take analyze of this coin. You can go see, my dear friend. I think no, this coin going to take a pump. अगर आप इसमें बाय करना चाहते हैं, अम्मार, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, कैसे हो जनाब, ठीक हो अम्मार साहब ठीक हो? कोई टेंशन परेशानी हो तो मुझे बताना जरूर, ठीक है? हाँ तो जनाब, ये नेक्स्ट इसकी मूवमेंट जो है बाय की तरफ जा सकती है, लेकिन रिस्क आपका अपना अपना होगा, बाय करना चाहते हैं या नहीं, ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं। अगर आप इसमें ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले इसका कोई पार्टिसिपेट है वो आप कर लें, उसके बदले आपको एक ट्रेड करने से भी रिवार्ड मिल सकता है। सो शेयरडम SHM लार्ज पोल स्टैकिंग पीरियड May 8, 2025 at 7:00 May 18, 2025 at 7 UTC. Total stacking reward 140112 SHM. Bitcoin Tower. Okay, sir, जरूर शुक्रिया. That's very good. That's very good. Bitcoin Tower. Welcome here. So, I think you are making live stream since 15 over 20 days. Am I right? So, my dear fans, here you can see GT and Ethereum. You can go if you have Ethereum, if you have GT token, you can go and stack. I am tell you how to stack and Ethereum stack. Okay, here you can see, my dear friends, SHM launch pool, SHM launch pool, SHM introduction. Sherdom is world first auto scaling layer 1 blockchain designed to solve scalability challenge well mind netting to reduce decentralized dynamic state sharding helps keep gas fees low and tips high as participation grows sharding performance consents at the transaction level and lower the where lows and tips high participating grow short-term performance consumes at the transaction level and lowers the complete computational power needed for validators node. This conscience mechanism make it possible for anyone to run a node will increase in decentralization. Yes, it's been 4 days. Till this date. That's good. I tell you about something live streams. If you have valid live stream, you will get a reward. After that, your some live stream is missing for validation. You cannot get reward. Your reward some days late. Okay. I ask you try best to make your live stream every day and speak your live stream loudly and regularly. Okay, speak your live stream loudly and regularly, and ask you everyone hall how I ask you, Bitcoin Tower. Okay, I think you understand my sentence. So let's come to see, my dear friend. This is our project, and his ended date about 8 days, after 8 days. Okay. Okay. So my dear friend, let's come to see GT pool and ETH pool. Here is a GT pool. If you wanna, you can go and stack some GT token in this coin. So I am going and stack some USDT 0.5. So, my dear friend, you can see confirm. So, I stuck in this and I get reward hourly. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So, welcome. If you don't understand, you can ask me there any question. Okay. So, if you wanna, my dear friend, you can go and now we see total stacking reward 110112 SHM, and here are participants 4761. This one is me. Okay. So let's come to total stack GT. My dear friend, here are total stack GT price pool overly cap 458.8 SHM. Okay. So mining period, my dear friend, 10 days. Individual overly reward cap double 209 double 2.94 SHM. Total stacked, my dear friend, hotte riya khara 2120739 APR. Okay, so let's come to see, my dear friend. There are my stacking and there are my reward. No, suddenly I have stack my some GT tokens, and no, I am waiting when I get a special reward. Okay. So here is Ethereum. If you have Ethereum, you can go and stack Ethereum in this pool. So let's come to see, my dear friend, this official website and what do these things. Okay, this is official website, my dear friend. Shadam, developers, resources, community, create SHM wallets. Okay. So Shadam world's first auto scaling blockchain. So let's come, my dear friend, create SHM wallet and run a node. Okay, if you wanna, you can go get click there, create your own wallet and run as node. Okay, so here you can see borderless money SHM is you are board borderless, ये देर लग जाएगी, ठीक है. So let's come to see always affordable, no more unpredictable gas fee for having to gas when it's affordable to transact. Short-term fees stay low and stable always. Always scalable. Whether it's thousand or million of user short-term automatically scales and demand increases. Okay. Hello, Osman Ali. Osman Ali, welcome to join my live channel. Thank you so much, Osman Ali. So always fair. Every transaction is proceed strictly in the order it's received. Nobody can cut the line or exploit in the system. No MEV. Okay. Here you can see, my dear friend, solving the trilemma. Okay. So, my dear friends, scalability, security, and decentralization. Thanks to dynamic state sharding constants is reached at the transaction level. This means high speed because of parallel processing and low fees. Because I think my voice is clear, my dear friend. Discovery, hi, 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 hi. Hello, Discovery. Discovery, can you tell me from where are you? You are not tell me from where are you? I want to know. I want to know from where are you? If you thought that's good for tell me, you can tell me, okay? So, my dear friend, your voice is clear, perfect. Thank you, thank you. But in my mobile voice is not clear, so I think my voice is disabled. So thank you for tell me. Thank you so much, my dear friend. So from our combined proof of stack and proof of quorum approach to consensus to our auto reaction mechanism, we focus on security every step of the way. Thank you, Discovery. Thank you so much. You are tell me my voice is clear. So, my dear friend, decentralization Shardam is permissionless and built for the community to run nodes that increase TP's transaction per second and participate regardless of their location and background. Okay, here Shadam Docs, my dear friend, read our white paper. If you wanna, you can go and read white paper. Validate, secure, and SHM, my dear friends, with minimal hardware. Anyone from student to seasoned developers can become a validator on Shardam to valid transaction support, network security, and earn SHM reward in return. Okay. So, my dear friend, create free Shardam wallet account here, secure your financial future, send and receive SHM. SHM is your borderless money. Here is roadmap, my dear friend. Mainnet and EVM smart contract 10th 2025 Q4. Assumed by the number, my dear friend. Here a preview of the future of Web3. 150 plus ecosystem projects and 171K plus public validator and 1.4 MN plus community members. Here you can see 1.2 MN plus accounts and 1 MN plus transaction and 4247K plus contract. Here are tokenization, my dear friends, for 249 million SHM, and here you can see this percentage. Sherdom, sign up for the Sherdom community newsletter. Stay update on major developments about Sherdom. Enter email, subscribe now. So let's come to see other things, my dear friends. Because 154 Explorer the news, okay, project and counting, project and counting. So let's come to see, my dear friend, Tigro. Tigro is a Gen2 tax enabling high frequency on chain trading with the API both access powered by unparalleled gas mm, efficiency and advanced market tool. So market P2P file sharing protocol and perform for storing, transferring and trading digital goods. Imagine tokenize my documents folder directly inside. File storage upcoming, Diffie upcoming here. Everything fashionable AI fashion. Wave AI aims to be Web3 gaming and general. It offer user a variety of enjoyable games as well. So. Here are community drives. Sherdam is support operated utilities managed and created by the community. Okay, join our Discord if you wanna. Here you can see my dear friend, dear friend. Read more, read more, read more, read more. Decoding decentralized at scale, insight for chain and other more things. Okay, so let's come to see read more. Here decorate decentralization at the scale, insight from Shini, Parth Sarethi, Shadam Octus. Okay, everything is here, content and other things. Read things, scalability through dynamic stat sharding and blockless approach. Okay, there are lots of things, my dear friend. Balancing decentralized and security within novel consents mechanism and community focusing. Learn how to shardam testnet is setting new record in validator participation with this article. Shardam testnet blaze a trial. Discovery, hello Discovery. I wish you success in your project promotion. Thank you, Discovery. Thank you so much for your prayer. Pray for me. Thank you. I am thanks so much, Dragon. Luck join the live channel. Here are once more Dragon in my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So, my dear friend, everything is here. Sustainability and EVM compatibility program make a choice for board adoption. Okay, and you can see don't miss out of the opportunity to participate in the Shardam token sale. The sale end on May 4th, so make sure the secure your token before it's too late. Join the revolution today by visiting Sherdam Token Sale. Good day, good luck. Hey, hello, Discovery. Where go you? Where go you? Stay here, tuned, my dear friend. Discovery. Tell me your sweet name. Discovery. Tell me your sweet name. What is your name? So let's come, my dear friend. Evolving tokenizing tokenomic for long-term sustainability. Okay, here are then many lots of things for in here. Looking ahead, mainnet large pool community governance and mass adoption. Okay. Consolation a paradigm shift in blockchain design and chain fashion hacker house where multi-chain innovation meet opportunity to in Bangkok. Bangkok. Artinalize and ART20. The keys are to the democratize Art ICP Hub presents Global Town Hall 2024 expert panels on DeFi, DAO, and scaling Web3. Okay, beyond quantum curriculum, uncrackable vision for digital security, what should investor know about crypto market scale? Okay, so here, my dear friend, team marks means NBFS transformation conclave 2025 chart the future of financial solution. Coin store hits 10 million user milestone. Join grand celebration with 1 lakh prize pool. Explore more, my dear friend. If you wanna, you can go here and explore more. Everything is here. Okay. So let's come, my dear friend. Shadram token sell live. Read more. Okay, this is Shadram token live. Let's come to see what he is asked us. Okay, so let's come to see March 20, 2025 announcement. Shim token SHM token sale is live. Get early access to Shim. The Shadam token sale is no live. Get early access to SHM before public trading with no lockups, exclusive pricing for early. So share them, my dear friends. If you want to share them, you can see here everything. Share them token sale is live. Get early access to Shim. Share them as advanced to decentralized and community fair. Community first to first it's not just separate but in practice. The Sherdam token sale is no live, giving the public exclusive early access to Shem before our mainnet launch on May 5, 2025. Get user, give me please what I gave you, what I gave you. Tell me, get user, what I gave you. So, my dear friend, in fact, this is one of the first token sales by a layer 1 blockchain where the public can participate at more favorable price point. The token sale round price is 1.41, but for a limited time and quantity, we are offering bonus allocations on a first come first served FCFS basis. Once the token sale end, this opportunity will close. Our goal is to ensure a fair strategy that benefits as many community members as possible. With no lock up and early access pricing, this scale empowers early adopter, and future validator who will help secure Shardom on the upcoming mainnet. Okay, participate in token sale. Okay, if you wanna, you can go and participate. To participate, simply click the link below above, select there that match your eligibility on the sale leading page and follow the step outline here to buy SHM token. Table of content, Shardom token sale tier and early access price 111, yearly contributor all over there 1.2.2 public tier 1.3 SHM token sale discussion 3, choose the right there. Sale timeline, sale highlight, have question, join Discord and answer disclaimer FAQ. Okay, share them token sale there and early access pricing, early contributor allo list there. So you can see public tie here or everything is public private sale round 2000 USDC 500 USDC and everything here. Public tie option 1 option 2 price per SHM USDC 0.9 and 0.83. Minimum purchase amount USDC 500 2000 and maximum purchase amount USDC 110,000 and 10,000. Okay. Latest update beside on community and ecosystem feedback. We recently excited our token sale until my 4 2025 and get user Alguna Munda de Muda any trendy queen. There are lots of trendy queen BTC, Ethereum, Ton, USDT and lots of others. Okay, so increase the maximum individual purchase limit for the 10,000 to 1 million, decreased in the minimum individual purchase amount from 500 to 50 USDT. Okay, this percent present a valuable opportunity for nearly anyone to accumulate him at early stage, favorable pricing ahead of mainnet launch. SHM token sale discussion for 3 to right there. Okay. Show them is the token sale. You can see, my dear friends. I am an early contributor to Shadam. One chain quotes participants, library, spend Ottoman and office chain support and validators. Okay, public token sale. Let's come to see, my dear friend. Yearly contributor all token 0.10 and 1 shrimp. Option 2, option 1, option 2. Sale time, my dear friends. Okay, here I'll sale timeline March 19 2025, May 4 2025, May 5 2025 minor launch. Here are serial highlight. Have question, join our Discord, answer disclaimer FAQ. Okay, so my dear friend, this is everything is here. You can see if you wanna. Let's come to see other thing, blood and everything. SMG trading being now available on Landing Crypto and announcement, Shardam news, Shardam mainnet go live is what you need to know. How to run a Shardam validator node on mainnet. Decentralized for everyone. Okay. Shardam is a EVM based auto scaling blockchain Share them, sign up for the Sharedom community newsletter. Stay update on major development about Sharedom. Here you can see Doc Explorer, open source, start building ecosystem, white paper, everything about Sharedom. You can go here and click who's you know. That's fine. This is finished, my dear friend. Let's come to see other things of Sharedom. Oh, this is white paper. So let's come to see white paper, my dear friends. I tell you about Shedem and any token, any one token. The main white paper is have this token complete manufacture and complete benefits and complete instruction and information in the white paper. If you read white paper carefully, you can know how to next the queen. Because I think you are better understand, my dear friend. So I am open the white paper, then white paper is open, so we read it very carefully. So then he open, we read other things. Okay. So here are FAQ, my dear friend. So let's come to see what is get data you launch pool. Because let's come to see get data you FAQ. What is get data you launch pool? Get data you launch pool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT or other token to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coin with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortless capturing market opportunity. So if you can go join Launchpool FAQ, okay? I am tell you how to participate in Launchpool. You can see here, my dear friend, I am already tell you about OBL and SHM. If you have GT token, you can go stack your GT token and earn OBL, and if you have GT token, you can go stack in SHM and earn SHM. If you have Ethereum, you can go stack Ethereum and earn SHM. Okay? I think you are understand, my dear friend. So let's come to see how can I participate and get data in Lightpool. First, log into your Get Data account and navigate to the Get Data Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Check the participation guide. If you wanna, you can go. So let's come to see how to participate. How to participate Get Data Launchpool. My dear friend, Get Data Launchpool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT on other token to earn hourly airdrop for a hot and new coin with lower entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortless capturing market opportunities. Stack to earn now. Already I tell you how to join Get Data your launch pool and stack to earn. My dear friend, log into Get Data your account and navigate to launch pool. For app user, my dear friend, app click earn and launch pool go launch pool. Okay. For app user, my dear friend, go launch pool. Okay. So choose stacking pool you want to join. Click stack. Enter the stacking amount. Click confirm and complete stacking. Here you can see first of all, my dear friend, go to this area, then you click this area, then you click this area, then you confirm. Okay. So how to stack to earn, my dear friend? You can see here, go to this area, go to this area and confirm. Okay. Please complete identity verification before participating in large pool and to enhance the security of your account and assets. Okay, the stack assets will be transferred to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the stack asset will be redeemed into support assets. The system will take multiple snapshot of personal stacking amount each over, and you can increase your stacking assets at any time. Please mine it stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. So my dear friend, this is okay. So let's come to see how to participate get data your launch pool. First log in to get data your account and navigate get data your launch pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate. Yeah, I am already asked you and told you about once again. So then now we see number third, which queen can I stack in get data your launch pool. The token eligible for participation will be announced on the main page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Data Your Launch Pool to view more detail. Detail for number four. How many token will be rewarded? Overly stacking reward individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount total pool stacking amount multiple hourly reward pool. Okay, the system will stack multiple snapshot of personal stacking amount each over and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. Number five, how are reward distributed? The system will take multiple snapshot of personal stacking amount overly and token reward are distributed to eligible user overly. Earning will be distributed into user support account. And number six, when will the stacking asset be redeemed? My dear friend, after user redeem in the advance, the stacking is completed, the stack asset will be transferred to simple and by default, if this option is unchecked, the stacking asset will be redeemed into support assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the asset will be automatically transferred to support assets. If the simple earn does not support the claim of the redeem token, the asset will be also automatically transferred to support assets. Okay. So let's come to see number seven. So my dear friend, can I redeem my stack asset at any time? The system will take multiple snapshot of personal stacking amount each over and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of around reward. Please maintain stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. In addition, each stacking pool impose daily redemption limit. Individual user can uh, only withdraw up to 3 times and day per pool. Please plan your redemption carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. Number eight, can I add additional stacking assets, my dear friend? You can if you, have this question. This is very simple answer. You can increase your stack assets at any time. The more token you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking reward. Number nine, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchful projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pool to receive new token mining reward from multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new token. That's fine, my dear friend. That's very fine and easy. Number 10, my dear friend, what is the maximum mining reward can I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be generated. Please refer to the relevant announcement of the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Number 11, well stack asset in the get data you launch pool impact my VIP level. No asset stack in the get data you launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculating for the startup free airdrop pre-order prima and VIP prevailing. Number 12, what will happen to my fund if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacking principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project ended. You and your last interest will be distributed on the over after the end time. The interest distribution before the end will not be afforded. Okay. About single queen multiple mining, my dear friend. Single queen multiple mining is a newly launched large stacking feature of Get Data Your Launch Pool that allow user to hold the same assets and receive multiple new token reward across different stacking pool. This feature enable user to manage their assets more efficiently and flexible, enjoy more earning opportunity and achieve diversity and maximization of reward. Get data you launch will now support GT and ETH single coin multiple mining. Number one, how to join single coin multiple mining. My dear friend, participants must separately select and collect stack to join the stacking pool that supports single coin multiple mining to earn reward from multiple stacking pool. How will my GT holding be calculated if I want to join single coin multiple mining GT pool? The system will take multiple snapshot of participants GT and GT2 holding over Ethereum and ETH2 every over and take average as the effective holding amount and distribute reward beside on the effective holding amount. How many token reward can I earn my dear friend overly reward user GT holding amount total user GT holding in the pool X overly reward for the pool. Each pool has different minimum stacking amount and hourly reward cap. Please refer to the respective project announcement for specific. Can I redeem my asset? You can unstack in my stacking, my dear friend. There is no single coin multiple mining pool on my Get Data IO app. Why? Please make sure you have update your Get Data IO app latest version 6.330.0 or higher you are or you can visit Get Data IO to join. How many single queen multiple mining pool can I participate in at most? User can participate in all ongoing single queen multiple mining pool at the same time. About annual percentage rate when the reward coin is stack coin APR total reward released in the last over total stack three sorry multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100. Number two, when the reward coin is not the stack coin, my dear friend, APR total reward released in the last hours X closing price of the reward coin of the last over hours total stack X closing price of the stacking coin of the last over 365 equal multiple 24 multiple 100. Single coin multiple in here. So, my dear friend, APR total reward release in the last over multiple closing price of the reward coin of the last over's total average holding of the stack coin at closing price of stack coin of the last over and 365 multiple 24 multiple 100. OPR is the APR is an estimate and reference only the actual annualized return you are finally receive shall per while APR data is updated hourly. Okay. So my dear friends, let's come to see how to participate and get a hodler air. How to participate and get data you hodler air. Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for user holding GTG gate token. Okay, user only need to hold no less than 1 GT claim free airdrop. The more GT holding, the more airdrop reward. Claim free airdrop. So let's come to see how to claim free airdrop. Here is Hoodler airdrop. I am already subscribed. If you wanna, you can go here and subscribe. No, I am already claim this. Okay. So let's come, my dear friend, how to join get Hodler airdrop, claim free airdrop. Hello. वालेकुम सलाम. ठीक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. क्या क्या रखे थे प्यावे. अच्छा अच्छा मैं देता मैं लिखन देता. ओ आधा पे बंदा देवन डॉक्यूमेंट देखसी देसी तो वाल देखता मैं. हाल आया क्या नहीं मेरे को. ठीक है ठीक है. So my dear friend, how to join Hoodler airdrop and claim free airdrop? Click one. I am already, I think, tell you how to get claim free. I am already told about this. Launch pool, how to participate. Hodler airdrop, get data. What is get data? Your launch pool. What is Hodler, launch pool and Hodler. And now we see how to participate and get data. Your launch pool. Uh, Here you can see, my dear friend, Get Data Your Launch Pool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GTBTC. Already I am tell you about this. I am already about tell you about this. Okay, how to join Get Data Your Launch Pool stack earn. Log into Get Data Your account and navigate Launch Pool. App user click earn to Launch Pool. Go to Launch Pool. Web user launch and Launch Pool. Okay, choose stacking pool and want to join stack. Enter stack amount to confirm and complete stacking. Okay, here is page. You can go and read it very carefully. Okay. So let's come to see, my dear friend, Hoodler airdrop FAQ. How to participate? Get data launch pool, get data FAQ. So Hoodler airdrop FAQ. Let's come to see Hoodler airdrop, my dear friend. About Hoodler airdrop, what is the Hoodler airdrop? Hoodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT. Get token. I already tell about this, my dear friend. So anyway, need to hold a certain amount of GT shared airdrop token beside on their holding preparation. What are the requirement to participate in Hodler airdrop? Participation must complete identity verification and hold at last 1 GT. So my dear friends, and what is the GT holding participation limit, my dear friend? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrop announcement. Number 4, how are airdrop token distributed? We will take a snapshot of your GT holding at the time of participation and at the end of the airdrop token will distribute beside on your GT holding preparation of the total snapshot amount. The larger than the holding, the more airdrop token you receive. Token receive mine GT asset at the airdrop participation, GT assets at the airdrop end, total GT asset of all project participation, X total airdrop amount rounded in the nearest whole number. Can I participate in multiple Hoodler airdrop? Yes, as you long as you hold enough GT and each project snapshot time and meet the participant requirement, you can participate in multiple Hoodler airdrop. Here you can see, my dear friend. Well, I definitely receive token if I participate. User holding Atlas 1 GT can 100% receive airdrop provided the maintain Atlas 1 GT at the snapshot time. Okay. So my dear friend, how can I check my airdrop token? Reward will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 day after the project end. You can check your participation history and launch pool Hoodler airdrop. Number 8, what should I do if I have not received my airdrop token? If you did not receive airdrop token, please fast check you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holding at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. Okay. This is, my dear friend, how to participate. What is the Hodler airdrop? Now we see how to participate in Hodler airdrop. I am already tell you about everything. So let's come to see get data you other things. So here you can see, my dear friend. Haha. Stack one. I'm already tell you about how to stack and unlock rule. Unlock get data. Your launch pool allows user to stack early. You can stack your asset before the project officially launch. Ensure you start earning reward immediately once mining begin. Reward distribution, my dear friend, the system will distribute token reward to user support account every hour decide on the proportion of assets stacked by each user. Launch will FAQ, my dear friend, how to participate. Log in to your get data your account and complete identity verification. Navigate to get data your launch pool hood and 0.01 GT and 0.00003 ETH and click stack. Okay. So exclusive stacking limit prevailing for VIP user, my dear friend. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive stacking limit when participate in launch pool with up to 50% stacking limit. Here you can see, my dear friend, VIP 0 to VIP 4, VIP 5 is special exclusive reward, my dear friend, exclusive. So let's come to the project information, my dear friend. Introduction. Shardam is the world first at scaling layer 1 blockchain designed solve scalability challenge while maintaining pure decentralization dynamic state sharding help keep gas fees low and tips high as participation grow shardam performance conscience and the transaction level and lower the competitional empower need for validator node. This consumes mechanism makes it possible for anyone to run a node well. Increase decentralization token name shardam token symbol SHM max supply 249 triple zero triple zero and token type mainnet token ID. This you can see, my dear friend. Token distribution ratio and unlocking you can see here. Okay, white rose, खुदा दा खौफ कर हालत खराब है, आप हो के तकरार कर रहे हो, पीजी. So let's come to see, my dear friend. Hello. हेलो. वालेकुम सलाम. हाँ गारा. हाल ही भाईजान टाइम क्या नहीं मेरे को, मैं आपदा करेंदा बेटा 1 घंटे बाद. So let's come to see, my dear friends, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Hail one, no sorry, 91440000 Shem 36.72%. Number three month self than to air daily a liner wasting. Team, my dear friend, 7620000 SHM 30.6%. 3 months self than to air daily liner wasting. Foundation, my dear friend, 5588 0 triple eight sorry 0 triple zero. वो किया रोल आई हुआ थे को पता है मैं काम करे था बैठा वो धाड़ धाड़ में चाहिए बैठ. वालेकुम सलाम. यार जेडी काम दी गाल है वो कार टाइम क्या नहीं मेरे को. हाँ मेरा टिकट था 40 के अगले पे. अच्छा मैं तेरे नाल बक बक करे ना 5 मिनट बाद करे ना लाते. So let's come to see, my dear friend. Here are foundation. I am tell you, my dear friend, ecosystem and airdrop 25480 triple zero SHM 10.23% unlocked at TGE. Here are website. Here are website white paper. I am already tell you about this everything, my dear friend. Here is note, my dear friend. Get data, your launch pool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GTBTC, Ethereum, and other token on our airdrop of hot and new coin with low entry barriers and high APR. It's hello, Asif Tahsin, my dear friend. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. How are you, bro? Best of luck. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And dear brother Asif Tahsin, I am so happy to see you in my live stream. Thank you so much, Asif Tahsin, my dear brother. Go to Sky. Thank you so much. I call back you after 10 minutes. I call back you after 10 minutes. Thank you, my dear friend Asif Tehsin. How are you? And how's going your live stream, my dear brother? So, my dear friend, please complete identity verification before participating in live pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Number three, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the reward. Asif Tehsin, today woke up early. That's why today I am joined. Thank you, my dear friend, my dear brother Asif Tehsin. I think my live stream, I am start my live stream 7 o'clock. Mean to say after 2 hour ago. Now this is the extra time I am giving the live stream. No, this is the extra time I am giving the live stream because I think I complete my project. So I am today so late. Today I am so late. So I am so happy to see you in my live stream. Thank you, my dear brother, Mr. Asif Tahsin. So, my dear friend, then forward, please, where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version and English version shall provide. Number five, continue karo baro. Yes, yes, thank you. Asif Tahsin, my dear brother, thank you so much. Uh, I think today is holiday for you. I think you are a student of university. So let's come to see, my dear friend, number five, get data you reserve all right to final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. User in the United Kingdom and other state location cannot access the service, including the participation in the event. Game over competition C user agreement for their detail and restricted location. Okay, get data your labs investment disclosure. Get data your labs has not invested in the Shadam SHM. Asif Tehsi, no bro, sleeping early and wake up early. That's it. No, 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 my dear friend. You are sleeping late and wake up late. That's my time is sleeping is after namaz isha. I sleep and I wake up. Uh, I wake up 3 a.m. 3 a.m. in Pakistani time. So you can see difference of early and before. So my dear friend, thank you, my dear brother. Thank you so much, आसिफ तहसीन. आपको प्रोजेक्ट मिला मेरे दोस्त, मेरे भाई. So risk warning, the project team does not guarantee the token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Done, bro. Thank you. Just complete no. Oh, very wonderful. Wonderful, my dear friend. शानदार. बहुत अच्छा. और बाकी सब ठीक है, घर बार खैरियत है. Everything is right in your family. So, my dear friend, the crypto project is still in an initial stage factor, including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. आसिफ तहसीन, तुम कंटिन्यू ब्रो. मिलते हैं अगेन. नो बाय. All right, good. I happy you are also. Thank you so much. I am so happy to see you in my live stream. So have a good day, my dear friend. Have a good day. Thank you so much. So let's come to see, my dear friend. Number three, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate inherent risk of crypto assets investment. The market volatility is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical regularity and market factor. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to technical issues of the project or get data. Your team, my 8 2025. Bye, bro. Asif Sachin. Thank you. Goodbye, my dear friend. Goodbye. So, my dear friends and follower, my live stream time is going ended and my project is completed. So, have a nice day. Have a good day. So, see you soon in evening time. Take care. Tata. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.